The Kaiser-Jeep M715 emerged in 1967 as the United States military's cost-effective solution to replace the aging Dodge M37. Rather than commissioning an expensive, purpose-built design, the Pentagon chose a militarized version of the civilian Jeep Gladiator pickup through the Commercial Utility Cargo Vehicle program. This decision marked a pivotal shift in military procurement strategy, establishing a precedent for adapting commercial platforms to military service. Kaiser-Jeep won the contract and began deliveries in January 1967. Production ran until May 1969, yielding approximately 30,500 units at roughly $4,400 each, a substantial saving compared to custom military designs. The truck earned its 5-quarter-ton designation from its 1¼ ton payload capacity and served extensively in Vietnam, Korea, and Europe across 4 main variants: the M715 cargo truck, M724 maintenance unit, M725 ambulance, and M726 telephone maintenance truck. The original M715 featured a 230 cubic-inch Tornado inline-6 engine, producing 132 horsepower and 210 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and dual-range transfer case. Dana 60 front and Dana 70 rear axles with 5.87-to-1 gearing provided exceptional low-speed pulling capability, though top speed was limited to 55 miles per hour. The truck measured 202 inches long with a 126-inch wheelbase and weighed 5,800 pounds. It could tow 3,000 pounds and included military features like blackout lights and fording equipment. Despite its short production run, the M715's legacy extended far beyond American service. South Korea manufactured licensed versions designated KM450 that remained operational for decades. Surplus units flooded the civilian market, where off-road enthusiasts embraced their rugged construction and historical significance. Modern restorations have transformed these veterans into sophisticated machines. Blacksmith Garage's 1967 example showcases this evolution dramatically. The original inline-6 gives way to a 6.4-liter 392 Hemi V8, generating 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque, more than triple the original output. A Mopar 545 RFE 5-speed automatic transmission and Atlas transfer case send power to Dana Ultimate 60 axles with electronically locking differentials and 5.38-to-1 gearing. The chassis underwent complete disassembly, sandblasting, galvanizing, and reinforcement before receiving black epoxy coating. A 3-link front and 4-link rear suspension system incorporates Fox remote reservoir coilovers and Curry anti-rock sway bars. Power steering and Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes replace the original manual systems. Black 20-inch XD Panzer wheels mount 40 by 13.50-inch Maxxis RAZR MT tires. Interior appointments include brown leather upholstery with red stitching, power windows and locks, vintage air climate control, and a Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth audio system with dual subwoofers. Classic Instruments gauges, a Momo steering wheel on an I Did It tilting column, and aviation-style sun visors complete the modernization. External modifications feature gray paint with military-style vinyl graphics, custom bumpers with tow hooks, a Warren winch, AMP research-powered side steps, and fabricated removable roof panels. LED lighting includes 7-inch halo headlights, a windshield light bar, and auxiliary lights. A 30.5-gallon fuel tank and Raptor-coated underside ensure the truck handles extended off-road adventures. This transformation represents the M715's evolution from Spartan military utility to premium off-road capability, preserving its historical character while delivering modern performance and comfort that would have been unimaginable to its original designers.